and welcome to yet another DECOM video. Today we have an AUDI Quatro customer that bought our case. As you can see, he's holding it in a hand, and now he's going to walk us through some of the best features of this exact case. First of all, we have a carabiner on it for easy handling and attaching this case to basically anything. As you can see, we have a logo to it, and the case opens like that. Two parts. One of it has a little window in it to see what's going on with the key or something else. And for you, our dear customers, we built this case, of course, with Faraday cage effect, but also with magnets for your convenience. So two of these parts won't fall off each other and basically won't be attached anymore. Speaking about further parts of the video, our client will show you that his AUDI actually works fine without the key fob, and when he will put his key into our case with Faraday cage effect, nothing will happen. AUDI won't be able to perform and start the engine.